Make sure to take action. Take action, no time wasted na. Kumbaga, marami ka ng pinalampas na panahon, pagkakataon, oras, opportunity, marami ng pinalampas. Pero this time, please, do your best para itodo mo na. Diba? Gawin mo na. Kasi mas mabuti yung life well experienced, life well lived, kaysa yung walang ginagawa, steady lang. Pagdating sa dulo, steady pa rin. Mas okay yung, maraming mga nangyayari sa buhay mo because that is what makes your life so meaningful and so colorful. And at the same time, check your long term. Check kung saan ka papunta sa ginagawa mo ngayon. Is it okay? In the next 5 years, what's gonna be your plan for you, for your family, for your career? 10 years from now, what's your plan? And always check the person who's doing the career of what you're doing. Na 10 years na sa trabaho niya, tas pareho kayo ng trabaho. Tignan mo yung buhay niya. If makita mo na okay, good, padayon lang, tuloy-tuloy mo. But if not, I think you need to change. You need to recheck and reassess your life all the time. For me, that's meditation eh. When you are aware of what's happening in your life, aware of what you did, napakaganda ng buhay na nag-aantay sa'yo. Always think that the best is yet to come. And again, you deserve all the best things in life. Kung mangarap ka, lakihan mo